Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Bybit. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bybit.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Bybit website where you can find the sign up now button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into the registration page. Now from this page, you can either use your email address or your phone number to register for a new account. Go ahead and type in your email address and you will be allowed to enter your password. Type in your desired password and then you can also enter a referral code if you have one. Click on the checkbox to get your welcome gift and click on the Get My Welcome Gift button. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address or your phone number that you just used to sign up. So go ahead and check your inbox or your phone SMS and you will find your verification code within the email or your phone. Enter this code in the verification box and your account will be verified and you will now be taken into your new dashboard. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Bybit. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.